Stop squeezing my dick, Lord!
You're under arrest. Okay.
Customer woke up to go to work and she was in his car.
She was in, wait, what was it? She was in someone else's car?
Yeah, so he brought her up here because she swears she knows somebody here. Her ride left her here.
I dealt with her this morning at Love's. She was stealing stuff from Love's.
Yeah, she's tweaking and under the influence. Like talking to herself.
Oh, yeah, she's got, yeah.
Now she's telling customers she wants to herself.
Oh.
Like, she's right inside. I let her plug in her phone. I bought her a Gatorade just to shut her up for a minute, but she a hot mess.
No, she is, yeah, okay.
The officer heads in.
You can tell this situation is about much more than a simple trespassing complaint. Officers already recognized the woman from an earlier shoplifting incident, and that's a huge red flag. When police have repeated contact with someone in a short period of time, they're not just looking at one event, they're evaluating a pattern of behavior. The question is this confusion, criminal intent, or a deeper crisis unfolding?
What are you doing?
We were getting food. I asked her, and asked there was a lady outside smoking you. Yes. Literally asked these two, they ringed it up. They ringed up everything that I had.
This is one of those moments where people think they've cornered an officer with legal terminology. Notice how she immediately brings up probable cause. Here's the reality. Knowing a legal phrase and understanding how it applies are two very different things. Meanwhile, the officer is trying to determine whether she's simply causing disturbances or if there's enough evidence for a lawful arrest. Tension is rising, and neither side...
Okay, the issue isn't you not paying for stuff.
No,
this time...
I'm banned. Yes, I know. I was telling them about that. I was like, I want you to do it.
You're not banned from here, but you're causing issues here. Whose car were you in earlier?
One of my friends.
Who's your friend?
Doesn't matter.
Okay. How about then I just arrest you and take you to jail since it doesn't matter? How's that? Because it doesn't matter to me either.
Go ahead. But like,
What's the definition of probable cause? Don't play this game because you don't know. You have no idea. I could have arrested you this morning at Love's.
Tell me a very, very good, like, tell me something that I actually did.
You stole.
They had that shit up here.
Remember the two waters and the Red Bull? Remember that?
My mom.
It's still not yours.
Okay, my mom works there.
Your mom doesn't work there.
My mom works. She's working.
Okay. All right. So what's the plan for the rest of the day? You ain't just gonna keep walking around town. I'm taking you somewhere.
I'm about to go sit somewhere where I can actually stay.
Where?
Not a store.
Huh?
Not a store.
There's nowhere in Atkinson, Illinois where you're gonna be able to just stay without causing trouble.
I can find shit and I don't cause trouble.
Where'd you get that vape?
Don't like my... What the does it matter for?
So you didn't have that earlier, and last time you showed me you had 67 cents in your bank account. So how can you afford a probably $15 vape?
Motherfuckers can just... No. People have that plastic. I've never seen anybody like that. Like, especially with like these, that's always been like that. That's been like that. I don't care about that. I was thirsty, so I came in, I bought a couple of drinks, and I got out.
She paid for everything here?
Asked me if I wanted a receipt. I always say no. That's where I fuck up at. That's where y'all get me fucked up at. Is that...
Quit cussing. You're in public. Go outside.
I'm a grown-ass woman.
Yeah, exactly. So you can talk like one, so quit cussing. You're acting like a...
I will talk about how I went, about anything and anything like this. That is, I'll talk about how I talk about it.
Is that your charger?
The court is hers.
Court is hers?
Yeah, the court is hers.
Quit cussing. I already told you, quit cussing.
You're not... Are you my mom? Are you my mom? Am I under 18? No, exactly. So I can do whatever the I want. Thank you.
So where are you planning on going?
Literally anywhere. I'm just trying to have my feet... People come pick me the fuck up. I have nowhere to go. I'm still trying to figure this shit out.
Okay, so obviously I told you that I would give you a ride.
It looked like the situation might cool off. Everything takes a dramatic turn. After being warned multiple times to leave businesses alone, she's now accused of trying to enter a family's vehicle. This is exactly why officers often continue monitoring someone after an initial encounter. What started as a nuisance call is rapidly evolving into a potentially dangerous confrontation, and the stakes are about...
I told you that I would give you a ride. Which way do you need to go? Towards Chicago or towards Quad Cities? Do you not want a ride? All right. Don't come back to Casey's or you'll be arrested. I told her not to come back here or else I'm going to arrest her, so.
Okay. But yeah, a regular customer brought her here because he woke up and she was
Oh, sorry.
Unless you're busy.
in his truck.
I'm hungry.
Do you know who that was?
I don't know his name. And he said that he didn't want to call the cops because he didn't want to look like that. So he kind of, and she swore to God she knew me.
She does. She's got mental issues.
Every
I mean,
officer hopes to avoid. The instant physical resistance begins, the encounter changes completely. At this point, the focus is no longer on voluntary compliance. It's on safely taking a suspect into custody while protecting everyone nearby. Adrenaline is pumping, emotions are boiling over, and decisions now have to be made in seconds rather than minutes.
She's got mental issues. I mean,
Obviously.
if she comes back here, give us a call.
Okay.
I'm just going to keep my eye on her, though, and just be in the area.
Okay.
Hopefully, it'd be ideal if she'd go to the hospital with me voluntarily, but she's not going to.
Yeah.
The officer patrols the area while keeping an eye on the suspect. About a half hour later, a family calls for help when she tries breaking into their truck.
I've been dealing with her all day.
Some people are just stupid. Our truck's locked.
She trying to get in?
Yeah.
Don't touch it. Go away. He ain't.
That's my fucking mother.
That
is my mother.
It's a guy.
Bro, they told me that they can give me.
Go or you're going to go to jail.
Bro, you're being a
Your options.
bro.
I don't care what I'm being. Go or you're going to go to jail.
These are my.
You don't know who this guy
You
is.
need to shut the f up and get the f off my dick because I will kill you. That's big.
Come here.
Big, stop squeezing my dick so hard. Mom!
You're under arrest.
Stop with the phone!
You're under arrest.
Stop! Please! Please! Stop squeezing me so fucking hard! Stop it! Please stop it! Stop! What officer? You just manhandled me like, oh, yes, what is wrong? See, look at you. This whole thing's a joke to you, isn't it? You won't get some fucking, you won't get some justice. Yeah. You won't get that, bitch. Trust me.
You're going to jail.
Okay, and that's what I'm talking to them goofy ass motherfuckers there. So, bitch, I know you're not gonna put your fucking hands on me. Take this bitch. Stop grabbing my fucking hand like that. You literally squeezing me and just put it on my stomach with your fucking your biggest. Bro, you not realize that shit? You not realize that shit? Like you're fucking big. You're a fat bitch, bro. Come on, why would you sit on me?
That's rude.
I don't give a f. You just tackle me like a fucking grown man. And here we go again.
Well,
Bitch, I want my shoes. Bitch, whatever. Oh, I'm walking. Okay. You love to see this show. You love to see your favorite movie, huh? Stop gripping me like that, bitch. I'm right
This
here.
exchange highlights an important legal distinction. The officer isn't talking about what she thought or felt in the moment. He's talking about the specific threat that was allegedly made. In many jurisdictions, threatening violence toward a public official can result in serious criminal charges. A few words spoken in anger can suddenly carry consequences far beyond
bitch,
the
I'm
original
right
intent.
here. I am right f***ing here, bitch. You touching me like that? And you're supposed to count what's back of your hand, you dumb bitch. Are you not? That's a man's duty? Yeah, women cops can do that shit.
cool. Not a woman.
Learn shit
What
about your
began with
job.
reports of strange behavior has now expanded into multiple criminal allegations. Officers have moved from investigating suspicious activity to documenting evidence that could support several separate charges. Cases like this remind us how quickly a situation can escalate when repeated warnings are ignored. And now, the final outcome won't be decided on
Learn shit about your job that you apparently got. Like learning, like I'm getting you a child, bro. You ugly bitch, stole my shit. Over here, through my fucking panties, bitch. Who the fuck are you? This bitch gonna get smacked the fuck out of. Put all my shit in there. Cause you're not touching it, bitch. I dare you. Get the fuck out of my face! You nasty, ragged bitch! This is what happens, and nobody even did anything, not even you. That's a fucking cunt move, bro. This motherfucker literally threw my head into the fucking rocks. He put his knee on my back. I cannot breathe. He's going, and you better fucking do something about that. Bitch, you giggling for what, you ugly, nasty bitch? Stay the fuck out of business. I don't know what the fuck you doing.
Oh boy. I saw it earlier when she was digging through that, but... What?
231, Henry County. Henry, 231,
Resisted. It's called consequences to your actions. I didn't tackle you. I put you on the ground. After you said you're going to kill me? Yeah, so now you're going to jail for threats to public official. It's mental shit? What do you mean?
First of all, like, for one, whenever you're like, I got sick, first of all, literally right now, I can't even fucking y'all are great.
I know that, but when you threaten one of us, things tend to escalate. Well, that's not what sort of Galloway said.
My hands was down the whole time. Other when I was like, putting on
Taser.
That's a taser, too.
Yeah.
like I said,
Can't have that.
You have every right to protect yourself, but...
Fucking bitches out for the mercy.
Dang!
Yeah.
You better put my shit down.
It's another felony.
Well, we have to search your bag because we got any contraband in there, any weapons that go into the jail along with drugs, okay, too. Do you have anything like that in your bag?
The only things that there is like one empty cart somewhere at the bottom of the bag, and it's
Any marijuana and drugs?
no, that's it.
Here you go, Peter. You're going to take a right.